Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'll teach you how to play Love Somebody by Lauv on a ukulele. So first, grab your ukulele. Tune it to standard tuning. And let's begin. Para sa kantang ito, isa lang ang chord pattern na ginamit. C, G, E minor, and D. Then for the strumming is down, up, mute, then down, tap. Why do I do this? Pick you up and put you down, put you through this. Set up so good things, your things, you can't back, but I know. In a moment of lips that should have thrown shit, straight to the moon. I should have known I'd be coming down. Never mind, now. Set up so good things, your things, you should hear that I do. Every time I think I love somebody, I'm trying to wake the throw it all away. I'm trying to hurt nobody. And what I really want to say, in this conversation, and when I watch the tears in your eyes, stop somebody. Look you up and put you down and put you through this. So, until matapos ang kanta, same lang ang chord pattern na ginamit. C, G, E minor, at D. So, yun ang kantang Love Somebody by Lauv. So, salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.